The darkness of the night had enveloped everything. The clouds were thundering, and cold winds were stirring the leaves of the forest in a chaotic dance. Ali, a young man who had been fascinated by ghost stories since childhood, had brought home an ancient lamp that an enigmatic old man had sold him in the market. This lamp will change your life, the old man had said, but there was a strange fear in his smile. Ali lit the lamp, and immediately a smoke emerged. The smoke took the form of a terrifying giant, its eyes glowing like burning embers. You have freed me, the giant said in a thunderous voice. Now you must accept my terms. Ali trembled with fear, but gathering his courage, he asked, what terms? The giant, with an evil grin, said, you must come with me into the inner part of this forest, where every human's courage fails. Ali gripped the lamp tightly and followed the giant. As soon as they entered the forest, strange noises and mysterious shadows began to follow him. With every step, his fear grew, but Ali kept his heart strong. Along the way, the giant told Ali strange stories that mixed fear and curiosity. At one point, Ali saw the branches of the trees taking human shapes as though they were talking to him. This forest is alive, the giant said, and it will test your courage. If you are afraid, you will be trapped here forever. In the heart of the forest, they reached the entrance of a mysterious cave, and the giant said, go inside. There is the treasure everyone desires, but it will be your final test of fear. Ali stepped into the cave, guided by the light of the lamp. Strange symbols adorned the walls, written in an ancient language. Suddenly, a loud scream echoed, and a terrifying shadow appeared in the cave. The shadow began moving toward Ali, but he made the lamp shine even brighter. The light from the lamp pushed the shadow back. Ali, summoning his courage, asked, who are you, and why are you stopping me? The shadow stopped and replied, I am the guardian of this cave. To reach the treasure, you must confront your greatest weakness. Ali paused for a moment and said, my greatest weakness is my fear, but I am ready to face it now. The shadow smiled and disappeared, and at the end of the cave, a treasure chest began to glow. Ali opened the chest with a pounding heart, but inside was a mirror. In the mirror, Ali saw his own reflection, but it was the image of a brave and confident Ali. The giant tree appeared and said, this treasure is your courage and self confidence. If you possess this treasure, no force in the world can defeat you. Ali smiled and turned off the lamp. He knew now that the true power lay within him.